Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps to your Firestick. The one which you can use free of charge and set up in just a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. And you can get downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on downloader and there's the app that you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet because you still need to set it up. So now to actually set up downloader, we'll go to settings by clicking this tiny button with a gear icon and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. You open it and down here you will have to turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on any debugging, then go to install known apps. And now in here, what you have to do is just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on the Fire TV Stick, open it up, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to UK right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So go straight back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate downloader, and open it up on your Fire Stick device. So we open the loader in here, and what you gotta do now is enter the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 4387113. So once again, it's 4387113. That's the whole code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the load of the app has finally started for us. took us only a couple of seconds to download the app. And then you will click install and just make sure that the app fully installs to your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. And this way you get rid of all the files that you don't need anymore on the Fire TV stick and save yourself some free space. And now if you go to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, you'll open it up, wait a bit until it loads, and then at the bottom you will locate the app that you have just installed. So enjoy the app, and of course don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.